Hello everyone. So this very detoxifying colon cleanse recipe is what you want to have at least once every month to make sure your organs function properly. That way you easily cleanse toxins leading to hormonal issues. You easily flush fats in your system causing weight gain and belly fat, and have your system and your organs very active, and you live a very healthy life. Like, this is utmost health guaranteed. So in order to come up with this recipe, I always use a handful of this red cabbage, purple cabbage. So you just need a handful. Once you chop and you get a handful of it, like you can see, this is a handful. This is just enough for the smoothie, for this cleanse. So what you want to do is to wash the cabbage thoroughly with water and vinegar, just to make sure everything is so clean. This is very detoxifying. Like, this will send you to your restroom to poo all the bad stuffs in your system, mimicking your hormones, causing hormonal issues, causing your system to slow down, cleanse your colon, and like, this is so healthy for you. So I'll just set it aside for like 2 minutes while I work on this pineapple, which is the second ingredient. Pineapples are equally very detoxifying. They support your system to cleanse itself, most especially the middle of the pineapple. That is why you see I always go for fresh pineapple. People ask if they have to buy the frozen pineapple. I go for the fresh because of that middle. And now, the hard core, the hard middle of the pineapple. Is it the rind or is the core of the pineapple? So yeah, that middle hard part of the pineapple contains this enzyme bromelain, which is very good for detoxing and cleansing. Very detoxifying. So I will not be throwing this pineapple peel. If you watch my videos, I always come up with some cleansing recipes with that. So this is what you want to do. You have a pineapple, just slice up into some good sizes that can blend up. I love pineapples because they are very filling. They are very filling, so I have this as breakfast or at bedtime. I don't need to eat any other thing while it detoxes and cleanses me. So this is it. Have a pineapple in there. It saves you from eating and you burn that fat, cleanse you out. So this is it. 2 minutes after, I just wash off the vinegar from the cabbage, and yeah, that is it. Handful of cabbage. I'll be adding a thumb size of ginger, so I'll just be using one of these, just a thumb size of it. Very cleansing and detoxifying as well. Remember, this is a deep kind of system cleanse, colon cleanse, to flush you out. Like, you will visit your restroom. So if you want to try this recipe, do it on a day you are at home, because this is very cleansing, like very cleansing. So just a thumb size of ginger. Ginger heats up the system to burn fats and cleanse itself as well. Very detoxifying. So yeah, get your ginger, peel, and try to chop up the ginger into some tiny little sizes that can easily, without taking up your space. So yeah, so this is the ginger. Very good. If you don't have ginger, you can use turmeric. They are both from the same family. Or if you don't have ginger, you can substitute with lemon or lime, or one lime or one lemon. But I'm going for the ginger for these things. I'll get a little bit of acids from the pineapple as well. So I'll just go for ginger for today. Very cleansing. Like, if you're looking to flush your system real good, always add ginger in your recipes, and trust me, your system will remain so clean and you hardly face all the toxins slowing down your system, plus bacteria. So yeah, this is it. And I'll be adding some cinnamon. Complete detox cleanse. I'll be adding a little bit of cinnamon in here, just a tiny little bit of cinnamon, like half a teaspoon, or like half a tablespoon, which is like a teaspoon or so. So you can add in a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is very cleansing, very detoxifying, very healing. Yeah, so I'll put this in here. So that is like a teaspoon, and we have used a number of ingredients here, and I always tell you, bananas help to bring ingredients together. Bananas will bring your ingredients together and give it such a good taste. So the cabbage, trust me, while you're having this smoothie, you will not feel the taste of that cabbage. I like to add bananas in my green leafy vegetables as well. to minimize that green flat taste. You know what I'm talking about. It is not easy to consume vegetables, so adding banana makes it fun. Plus bananas are equally loaded with potassium and other vitamins and minerals as well. So you want to put the ingredients, starting with your cabbage, the ginger, banana, cinnamon powder, and the pineapple, and I add in some ice cubes just to have this chilled in the mouth as well. So trust me, if you haven't been adding some ice cubes in your smoothies, you want to dunk in some ice cubes just to have it so chilly in the mouth, you know. So yeah, this is it. Look at the consistency, and it tastes so yummy as well, so nice. Like the combination put together, one of the best ingredients here for the deep cleanse is the cabbage, but you can't eat that cabbage just raw. So putting all these ingredients together, which are very good as well for cleansing, neutralizes everything plus makes the thing taste so good. This is so yummy, so cleansing, so detoxifying that you want to do this at least once every month. Once every month is guaranteed for good health, because cleansing your system enables your organs to function properly. Once your organs are slowed down with toxins, bacteria in your system, they cannot function properly, and you end up with a slow system. You are easily prone to sicknesses and diseases. You easily fall sick. You are easily you face difficulties losing weight. Like, this will activate your system, and you need to do this alongside drinking enough water. Like, I reiterate enough of these. Almost all my videos, I reiterate the importance of drinking water. Like, you want to make sure you consume enough water your system can accommodate. If you've been drinking like 1 liter of water a day, try stepping up to like 2 liters. Like, try to drink as much as your system can accommodate. If you just gradually, you get there. Water is very cleansing. This is the cheapest cleanse you can find in your kitchen. Like, this is what will help you with digestion, most especially if you eat a lot of food. People who eat a lot, they substitute water with sodas. They always gain a lot of weight, because those sodas are loaded with sugar and gases that will just cause constipation and bloating, and that is how you end up with belly fat, weight gain, you know. Whereas if you drink water, water will assist you with digestion. You will maintain a healthy body size. Plus, water flushes out toxins from the system. This is the cheapest cleanse to flush out toxins. Like, you eat some things that are not really clean, water flushes and cleanses you out, cleanses excess sugars in your system, leading to diabetes, obesity, other health complications, you know. So water is life. Water will freshen up your skin, leave your skin looking so healthy and rejuvenated. And yeah, so make sure you do this cleanse alongside drinking enough water. Don't do this cleanse and go back to pops or sodas, and, you know, drink enough water. Just by drinking enough water, that is guaranteed good health for you. Yeah. So yeah, this is the recipe I wanted to share with you today. I hope and know for sure someone will find this very helpful. Share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.